it's your guy John Gulok here, aka the Paragon Pips Master. So yeah, this week we are going in for new analysis. You know, last week was something else. Seriously, the market actually respected our zone a lot. As you can see here, it dropped to this point. These are daily demand zone. So these are the daily demand zone. I drew it on the day one time frame. So and this is the 4 hours time frame demand zone. So yeah, I think this happened on Friday. This happened on Friday. I believe it happened on Friday. It hit this day one demand zone and it rejected directly. It tested it and it rejected. Uh yeah, I believe so. So as you can see, it also as it tested this the one demand zone, it also tested it found support in this 4 hours demand zone. So you can see that my analysis was correct. Like the zones I put are very correct. As you can see, this is the 4 hours supply zone I drew. You can check my last week video, pre-market open analysis. You see the market respected it perfectly. Yeah, it respected the 4 hours supply zone. Yes. So yeah, um that's just it. So we'll be clearing the screen now because I want to start new analysis for this week. So it's Sunday night here. So yeah, I wanna do a new analysis for this week. Yeah. First of all, we go back. We go to our week one, like 1 week, our weekly time frame. As you can see, the market was bullish. Overall, I believe this market is a buy because it has broken previous resistance on the week one time frame. Like as you can see, there were multiple rejections around here, multiple rejections around here, multiple rejections around here. So yeah, there were multiple rejections. The market opened here. The previous week market opened here and ended up here. So yeah, as you can see, it's tried to go down but it didn't. Yeah, look at where it is. This was the support. So on week one time frame, remember when doing your top down analysis, make sure the week are also included. Don't exclude the week. The weeks are also included because when you go down to lower time frames, you find out that these weeks are actually candlesticks. So yeah, don't just draw it on the body of the candlestick. So the weeks are actually included. So yeah, overall, this has become a good support. Yeah, but I believe this should be a nice support here. Yeah. Well, first of all, let me draw the start and then this is a weekly high. This is a weekly high. So previous week high, PWH. Yeah, boy. So this is a weekly high. Let me not draw so much long distance. So this is a weekly high, and then I hope this is straight. Yeah, it's straight. And then I want to draw the weekly low, the previous week low. Yeah, this is the previous week's low. This is the previous week's low. The previous week low. Great. So now we have our weekly high here, and we have our weekly low here. Yeah. So remember, the weeks are important. These long weeks are important because on the lower time frame they're actually candlesticks. So you have to also mark with the weeks. Don't just draw on the body of the candle. Now we have a support zone here. This, as you can see, this place and this place are actually the same. So this is actually a support zone. Like, it was previously a resistance zone, but now it's a support zone. So you find out that on the lower time frame, you find out that they are on a very nice zone. Yes. So now I want to draw this support zone because it has tested multiple times. It was previous resistance, but now it has been broken. So it has been tested. It's a zone that has been tested multiple times. So yeah. Okay. I like locking it up so that your two pixel, and I want you to be a line instead of here. So I'll draw it as a recent. Forgive me, birds. I love giving it names. Like, these names are just generic from me. These are how I understand what I'm trying to do. So I try to give it a name that I remember. You can actually, when you are doing this top-down analysis, you can actually give it names that you want. So it's not all about you following, oh, break of structure, um, um, what's the name, change of character, all those stuff. The best thing is that you try to name them after what you can easily remember and what aligns with your psychology. It's best that whatever trading strategy you are using, you best align it, let it be able to blend with your psychology, let it be able to blend with your style. So whatever I'm naming mine is not actually an official name anywhere. It's actually what I choose to name mine. So that's just how it is. So this recent um week, yes, break of structure. Should I put break of structure? Oh, okay. Recent week, um recent break. So now it has now become a support. Sorry, maybe the names I give are weird, but actually that's what keeps me here. Let me change it to, yeah. I don't want it to be that big. Now we go to day one time frame. I've done my top down analysis on the week one time frame. Now this is the day one time frame. As you can see, the market actually respected it, like, yeah. So well, overall, this is the day one time frame. This market has been on an uptrend, and then it started consolidating here. As it started consolidating, it actually broke this place. It broke this zone. It broke this zone, and then it kept going up. So it came down to retest, and it continued up. So it tried to go down again, but as you can see, there was a strong rejection here. There was a strong rejection here. So yeah. Okay. So I believe this is a nice zone. This is a nice zone. This is a nice zone for a support. This is a nice support zone. 2004-25. 2004-25 is a nice support zone. Also, it's also a psychological zone. So because as you can see, there are multiple tests in here, like it has tested it multiple times. But oh well, overall what I'm looking to check is a trend on the day one time frame. So I want to put my um my day one, you know, I want to put my day one support zone. The one support zone, you should understand, like a demand zone in the day one time frame, and a supply zone in the day one time frame. So I would draw a level here because this has tested multiple times. It has even formed a double bottom here. Like yeah, this is the first one, this is the second testing. So yeah, let me draw another place here. So yeah, yeah boy, this is a zone on the day one time frame. I believe this is a demand zone because it has not broken this place. Yep, this is a daily. Jeez, I have to daily demand zone. So this is the daily demand zone, a nice support, a nice support. So if I see market comes around here, I know that is a good buy. It would be a great place to buy. This also is a nice support here. I want to draw. I want to draw it here. Yeah, I would love to draw a zone here. This is like a nice demand zone. So that if market ever comes here, strong demand zone. And then yeah, this is a strong demand zone. Yeah, I believe this recent, okay, I can't even see it. But this recent weekly resistance break is a good zone. Is a good zone here. This recent weekly resistance break is a good zone. Should I say break of structure? Is a good zone. Yeah, is a good zone for. I don't need to draw another line. As you can see, it aligns with my recent weekly resistance break. So as you can see, it aligns, so I don't need to draw another line here. Overall, I'm just identifying a nice demand and supply zones. Yeah, we have our high, previous week high, previous week low here, and then that's it. Now we go on the 4 hour time frame to check. Overall, we know is an uptrend. That's just the simple truth. We know it's an uptrend. We don't need to even say it. Like gold has actually been crazy this past week. That's the NFP week. Like gold has been very, very crazy. As you can see, our strong demand zone has multiple tests. Yeah, our day one demand zone has a nice test here. So as you can see, the market is, you evolve with the market. So yeah, sorry if I sound boring, but I love to interact with the chat as I want. So yeah, we know that it's an uptrend. The market, as you can see, it formed a trend. It tried to form a downtrend again, but no, it broke it. To me, I felt that this is a head and shoulder pattern. Yes, and then it came and it broke that head and shoulder pattern. As it broke the head, it broke this shoulder pattern. It went and retested this head. As it retested the head, it sold. But as you can see, there is a rejection, which means this market has a strong likelihood of breaking past this previous week high, like this zone. It has a strong, how should I put it? There is a high chance it will break past this zone. Like yeah, if it continues uptrend, there's a very good high chance, like there's a big chance that it will break past this zone. If it breaks past this zone, then we'll buy on a retest, or it might actually try to go to 2500. Yes, it might actually try to go to this 2500 psychological zone. Or if it doesn't break past, if it sells, then you sell on a retest all the way to this place, 2371. You sell on a retest, you sell on a retest. Yeah, so once you can check the top down analysis, once you see it sell, you sell on a retest. Okay, I think I should do this for you guys so that you will be able to see where the price is. Let me do it. The style price levels. So yeah, so you know where the price levels are. You know where my zones are, the price levels for it. So mostly these are demand and supply, support and resistance. Remember that when entering the market, try, I don't know whatever strategy you use, but I use price action for my entries. Price actions for my entries. I use supply and demand to actually check in my zones and everything, and then price actions for my entries. So like I said, if this market sells below this zone, a strong bearish engulfing candlestick, like, how should I put it? This is the 4 hour zone, so I don't use it for entry. Let me scroll down to the 1 hour and 15 minutes time frame. I don't want to draw anything on the 1 hour time frame because I actually have my zones. As you can see, they all align. they all align. They all align. The top down analysis all align. They align. This has been tested multiple times. So they all do what? Align. There is more of yeah, I think if it continues up, it's an uptrend, but as you can see, there is a strong selling pressure here. This strong selling pressure could probably mean a sell, but this market might like to retest it again. If it retests again, you could sell. If it breaks past this previous week's high with a strong bullish engulfing candlestick, then you can buy on a confirmation. Remember that what, once it breaks past this previous week's high with a strong bullish engulfing candlestick, buy on with a confirmation and a retest. But if you notice that through price action there are rejections around this place, probably the shooting star candlestick, then you should know that what, you should probably sell all the way to this zone. I'm giving a long term. This is more like swing trading. So I'm giving a long term. I'm not a swing trader, but I'm just giving weekly overview of how the market might react. As you can see, before I cleared the previous chart, the market reacted according to my previous week's analysis. You can go and watch the previous video. So yeah, I mostly use this place. I mostly use this. I have two charts. I mostly use one for analysis and one for my entries. So the one for my entries are mostly very clear, while the one for my analysis, uh the ones for my analysis, that's the one that is like a rough book. You know, like when you are writing mathematics exams, you have like a rough book and you have like a answer sheet. So this other chart is my answer sheet, while this is my rough book where I do my analysis. So don't say okay, my screen is messy and all those stuff. It is my rough book, so I use it for my analysis and all those stuff. The other chart is very clean. That's the one I use for my entries. So yeah, as you can see, all these zones I've given you, I've said what, remember to use price action for your entries. I mostly use the 15 minutes time frame for entries. As you can see, overall there is a strong selling pressure here, a strong selling pressure in this zone. So probably if this market retests to this previous week's high, you might enter a sell. It's a good sell. It's a good sell all the way to this zone. It's a good sell. But if it breaks past it, you buy on a retest. Remember, candlestick pattern. Remember also, be patient. Patience is a key in this market. Patience is a key. Remember to follow your trading plan, and I wish you all the best. Have a happy new week. This is my top down analysis. This is what I do to enter the market. If you really want more of these videos, remember to subscribe and share the video with friends, those you know that they need this. And remember this, I'm the Paragon Peep Master here. So subscribe to the channel, like the video so more people can view it, and turn on your notification bell so that you can get future analysis video like this. I might try to do a daily analysis. Remember, the market evolves daily, so I might try to do a daily analysis. So yeah, and also follow my social media pages. They will be in the description below. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can post in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer you. Thank you very much and God bless you. Have a nice trading week.